Alright, we got something new just for the sunny days that are incoming. Not that we have that much sunny days in the Netherlands, but we have a new car. It's a bit wrong because of the, I don't know what it is, the purple or blue wrap and the Alpina wheels that are fake. So right now it isn't the car for me, but it can be because the color underneath the wrap is dark blue, and that's something that's really cool, I guess. And if I put some other wheels on it and do all the details, it can be a pretty cool car. And the big benefit of this car, it looks pretty cool right now, but if it is really practical, it isn't. So we need to do some stuff that it is practical and it looks good. But for a short time, instead of the GT86 project, because it takes a lot of time to do the GT86 project because of the hybrid system, this is a small project, perfect for now. I bought this BMW because I really like the E90, E91, E92, E93 looks. Like it looks on the outside and the inside is a lot of value for the money that you invest in this kind of car. So in the basics, this one is pretty good. Like it doesn't have that much mileage and it has history and all the basic good stuff. But all the details need to be better. Also, if you look at the interior, the seats can use some cleaning, and there are some scratches everywhere almost. And yeah, it really needs to get some small restoration. Like it's more a detailing project than a real restoration. But yeah, I guess if we do that, it's a pretty good car. So, except all the detailing stuff, there's also a small thing with the technical stuff. Like when you look at the torque meter, it's a bit nervous. And what it is exactly, I don't know yet. But I will read the car out and check out what it is. And so that's also a small thing that we need to fix. Alright, all the gear that we need is this one. And next episode we start with the unwrapping, and then we go on with the detailing project. Alright, see you next week.